Most people ruin their car's interior without even realizing it, using the wrong detailing brushes. I've seen cheap sets scratch piano black trim, shed bristles into vents, and even damage soft-touch surfaces. It looks harmless, until it isn't. So in this video, I'm breaking down the brush sets that actually work, so you don't waste money or mess up your interior. Make sure you're subscribed if you want real experience-based car care reviews. I've tested these on actual cars, not just out of the box. I've also dropped the best deals in the description, and if you're not sure which set fits your needs, comment your car. I'll help you out. Let's get into it. At number 5, the Qydipclin Car Detailing Brush Set. This is a straightforward entry-level kit, but it covers more than you'd expect. You're getting multiple brush sizes designed for interiors, wheels, and tight areas like vents and badges. The bristles are synthetic, but relatively soft, and the handles are lightweight plastic, which keeps them easy to maneuver. It's not a premium build, but it gives you a decent range of tools for basic detailing jobs without overcomplicating things. Now here's how it performs in the real world. If you're just getting into detailing or you want a backup set you don't mind being rough with, this works. I've used it for quick interior cleanups and light wheel work, and it gets the job done without stress. But here's the thing. This isn't built for precision work on sensitive surfaces. You can feel the difference compared to higher-end brushes. The drawback? The bristles aren't the softest, so you need to be careful on delicate trims. Now if you want more variety and better coverage. At number 4, the TTRCB 26-piece Car Detailing Brush Set. This is where quantity meets versatility. You're getting a full kit: drill brushes, detailing brushes, cleaning cloths, and more. It's designed as an all-in-one solution, so you're not constantly reaching for different tools. The materials vary across the set, but overall, you're getting decent durability for the price. And the range of attachments makes it adaptable for both interior and exterior cleaning. Here's where this really stands out. Convenience. If you're someone who wants everything in one package, this saves you time and effort. I've used sets like this for full detail jobs, and having multiple tools ready makes the process smoother. That said, not every piece in the kit feels premium. Some brushes are better than others. The drawback? It's a mixed quality set, so you'll likely favor a few tools and ignore the rest. But what if you want something similar, just slightly better refined? At number 3, the TTRCB 27-piece Car Detailing Brush Set. At first glance, it looks almost identical to the 26-piece, but there are subtle improvements. You're getting an extra piece and slightly upgraded brush options, with better variation in bristle stiffness. The kit still includes drill attachments, soft detailing brushes, and accessories for deep cleaning, making it a comprehensive option for serious DIY detailers. After using this, the difference is obvious in flexibility. You've got more control depending on the surface you're working on. Soft for interiors, stiffer for carpets or wheels. This is what most people don't realize. Having the right brush for the job makes detailing faster and safer. I've found this set more useful overall than the 26-piece because of that added versatility. The drawback? It's still a large kit, so storage can get a bit messy if you don't organize it. Now, if you want something that focuses more on maintenance than deep scrubbing. At number 2, the original California Car Duster Detailing Kit. This one takes a different approach. Instead of focusing on scrubbing, it's designed for dust removal and light maintenance. The signature car duster uses treated cotton fibers to lift dust without scratching, and the kit typically includes smaller tools for interior touch-ups. It's less about deep cleaning and more about keeping your car looking clean between washes. Here's where this really shines. Speed. If your car isn't heavily dirty and you just want to maintain that clean look, this is incredibly efficient. I've used it on daily drivers, and it cuts down the need for frequent washes. You can literally dust off your car in minutes, but it's not a replacement for proper detailing. It's more of a maintenance tool. The drawback? It's not meant for deep cleaning or removing stubborn grime. And finally, at number 1, the Chemical Guys All in the Details Interior Detailing Brush Set. This is where quality becomes obvious. You're getting purpose-built brushes designed specifically for interior detailing, with ultra-soft bristles that are safe on delicate surfaces like screens, vents, and glossy trims. The handles feel solid, well-balanced, and comfortable during longer detailing sessions. It's not overloaded with unnecessary tools, just the ones you actually need. Here's where this really dominates: precision and safety. After using this, the difference is immediate. No scratching, no bristle shedding, just controlled, confident cleaning. I've used these on high-end interiors, and they handle sensitive materials without any risk. This is the kind of set you reach for when you care about the details. The drawback? It's more focused on interiors, so you may still need separate tools for heavy exterior work. So here's the bottom line. If you're just starting out or want something basic, the Qydipclin set is a simple entry point. If you want a full kit with everything included, the TTRCB 26-piece is a solid choice. Step up to the 27-piece if you want better flexibility and more usable tools. If your focus is quick maintenance and keeping dust under control, the California Car Duster Kit makes life easier. But if you want the best results, especially for interiors, the Chemical Guys set is the one I trust. At the end of the day, detailing isn't just about cleaning. It's about using the right tools so you don't damage what you're trying to protect. Check the links in the description for the latest deals, and if you're not sure which set fits your car or your routine, drop a comment. I'll help you figure it out. And if you want more real-world car care advice, make sure you're subscribed.